Hi my children, today we are start our craft work. For making a craft work you need craft paper, glue, scissor, pencil, scale, eraser, some sketch pen colors and most probably your drawing book. In drawing book, first in index box I think your 3 topic is over. So here we write our craft work. In index box we have to write craft work, cactus and today's date. So let's we start. For making cactus we need craft paper. First you have to keep your hand on green colors craft paper like that. You have to keep your hand on green color craft paper like that. With the help of pencil you make impression of your hand on craft paper. Your hand is a very small, so be careful whenever you making this impression. Just ask to your friend to help. Just ask to your parents or a friend to your help. Now after over our pencil work, we are going to cut this paper in this manner. We are going to cut this paper in this manner. Children, it's a very easy craft work. So make it yourself. I hope all of you enjoy your craft work, and after over this work you have to stick it in your drawing book. I repeat, after over your craft work you have to stick inside this craft work in drawing book. Just look how teacher has made it. Very slowly. Be careful whenever you using scissor. Very slowly you have to cut it. Just look, cactus is mostly grown in desert area. It's full of with the oxygen and it's helpful in some disease. Look at here how carefully I cut it. You also have to cut like this. Now I got a cutting of my impression of my palm. Okay, look here. I cut, keep a hand on a paper and cut it and got impression. Okay, afterwards what you have to do, you have to take one another craft paper and just any kind of circle things you have to keep on it like this. Okay. Lid of a jar or any kind of CD you have to make it and make a and got circle shape. And afterwards you cut it yourself a circle shape. Okay, I got circle shape. Now what can I do? I just fold it in this way. I just fold it in this way and apply some glue. Fold it in this way, apply some glue and stick it in this way. Now afterwards, this cactus I have to stick like here. I have to stick here. Okay, just copy it. Look at this. This is the impression of palm and it's a green in color. Now it's a small one pot and we stick on hand. It's our cactus. It's our cactus. Look at here. It's a easy cactus I made for you. Now afterwards, I keep red color sketch pen and make a flowers and thorns inside. Make a flower design. It's a very easy flower design I made here. I hope children, all of you enjoy your craft work. It's a very easy craft work. Look how I made some flowers inside it. I hope all of you made it yourself. Now I make some thrones inside. For making throne, you have to use V shape. It's a V shape.